mis amigos. Hope you're all doing well today. So we made a trip to Sam's Club. We haven't been there in a while, so we thought we'd do a little video and show you guys our haul with the prices. So just hang on 1 second, mis amigos, and I'll flip you around and Jennifer will take it away. If you are new to our channel, my name is Daryl with my lovely wife Jennifer and little Cece. As you can tell, we just come back from Sam's Club with a truckload of toilet paper. So anyway, guys, let's get to the meat and potatoes of our video here. Take it away, Jennifer. She's hot.
Can you please pause it so that I can figure out what everything...
All right, I love putting Jennifer on the spot like that. She doesn't love it so much, but I like it. So we'll just figure out our cost here, my friends, and then we'll get at her with the prices and our huge haul. Oh, the pineapple is not from Sam's Club. Just never mind the pineapple. We didn't get that today. Action!
Hola, mis amigos. All right, so we don't go to Sam's Club too much. I think the last time we went was when we first moved in here, so like 3 months. And I wanted some. There's one of the only places that we can get coffees in grano, which means coffee beans, whole coffee beans, and you know, bulk items like me and the cleaner both use the vinegar a lot. I use it a lot for the laundry. She uses it for cleaning. I wanted a bigger, what do you call this?
Baking soda?
Baking soda, but this is the biggest they had, and I also use it for laundry. Little tip, because when you're hanging towels to dry, they're really stiff and I don't like it, so I looked up on the internet, and if you use vinegar and baking soda, they come out softer. Certainly not as soft as if you're tumble drying them, but a lot better than if you're just using fabric softener. So once a week I'm washing towels, so I go through quite a bit of these things. So we wanted some bulk items like that, which is going to be cheaper at Sam's Club or probably Costco too, but we don't shop at Costco. We don't think that, I mean, we're only going to Sam's Club every 3 months. I don't think we would benefit from having a Costco membership as well. I think that's an extra expense that we just don't need. So of course, while you're there, you don't go for just what is on your list. So I'm going to just go through some of the prices. Our total bill at Sam's Club was 3,336 pesos.
3,336 pesos, and I'll put that right, where am I going to put it? Oh, right there, sure, right in there somewhere. Here in Mexico, a lot of times they talk with their fingers too. They'll go like this to you.
Yes. See.
I like it. See, yes.
Okay, so toilet paper, 40 rolls, double sheets. Oh, 2+. Okay, I thought they were double rolls. My mistake. It's 261 pesos for 40 rolls.
261 pesos, 40 rolls of ultra strong toilet paper.
These salchichas or sausages were recommended to us by our good friend Riley. So
Riley recommended those sausages. We had them at his place one day and they were amazing.
No, he just showed them to us.
Oh, sorry, he just showed them to us. And he was going to give us some to take home, but he never did, the bugger.
So we bought our own, 190 pesos. 773 pesos for a loin.
Yeah, that's a good deal. I'll get at least over 10 steaks out of that. Probably 8 meals likely.
The baking soda was 66 pesos. Peanut butter was 122 pesos. This Sam's Club or Costco is the only place you're going to get a larger jar like this. Most of the time in the grocery stores, they're just these little beauty ones.
Yeah.
Baby ones.
That's quite common here.
2 batches of cookies.
Yeah, 2 batches of cookies, yeah. If you're going to make peanut butter cookies, then you want the jumbo jar.
Okay, coffee was 173 pesos a bag.
So whole beans of coffee. And this is really good coffee. We like that coffee.
Yeah, and we get 3 because we're only going to Costco Sam's Club every 3 months, so. Championes, or mushrooms, 92 pesos. Tortellini, 204 pesos. Daryl's gonna make an awesome tortellini dish that I fell in love with him for. Just kidding. Sugar, 61 pesos.
61 pesos.
Cottage cheese is 91 pesos. 34 pesos for cauliflower. Bread, 67 pesos.
12 grain.
Olives, 77 pesos.
Big jar of olives.
Listerine is 275 pesos.
For a 4-pack.
4-pack. And 8 bars of soap, 133 pesos.
Good deal.
And 67 pesos for how many liters? 6 liters of vinegar.
6 liters of vinegar for
67 pesos.
67 pesos.
So that's what 3,300 pesos will get you at Sam's Club in Merida.
So that's it. That's all, my friends.
I hope this was helpful to you. I'd love to know how this would compare to your shop. Well, we don't have Sam's Club in Canada, so you Americans, you tell us how this would compare to your Sam's Club shop. Adios.
No Sam's Club in Canada? Maybe the East Coast might have it.
Maybe, but I don't live there.
Yeah, if you're from the East and they have a Sam's Club there, let us know. Or if you know of a Sam's Club in Canada, let us know. But there's none out west, none in Alberta anyway. Adios, mis amigos. And remember, if you like our content, give us a thumbs up, please and thank you. Adios, mis amigos. God bless everybody out there. And peace, peace, peace on earth.